Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday we tried to understand about the syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. So that syllabus will continue for the academic year. And before the vacation, we have started a unit called as Parliament and Central Government. Hope you remember it. Let me quickly recapitulate and let me continue with the Parliament and Central Government. We have seen Parliament consists of two houses. One is Lok Sabha and the other one is Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha works for 5 years. The tenure of the office is 5 years, and the Rajya Sabha's tenure is for 6 years. The total members of Lok Sabha are 545. Rajya Sabha members are 250. And these members of Parliament of Lok Sabha are elected for a term of 5 years directly from the public. By the people they are elected, whereas Rajya Sabha members are indirectly elected. And today we learn about the first general election, children. General election is an occasion where we elect our representatives, and these representatives will make the laws on our behalf. So they keep ruling us on our behalf. And let us take a case study in the first elections held in 1951-52, children. The first general election, India में हमारा freedom आने के बाद, okay, that is nothing but after the independence, the first general election. हमारे पहले जो था that was British rule था. हमारा मुल्क हमारे को बनने के बाद हमारा फर्स्ट चुनाव जो है 1951-52 में हुआ था, और वो जनरल इलेक्शन, इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन, इट टुक 4 months टू कंडक्ट द इलेक्शंस. 4 महीना ही लगे. इट टुक 4 months टू कंडक्ट द इलेक्शन, एंड इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रैंचाइजी. ये नया वर्ड है क्या? यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रैंचाइजी बोले तो क्या है चिल्ड्रन? यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट franchisee. What is this adult franchisee? Okay, universal adult franchisee mean people who are above 18 years of age. 18 साल से ऊपर उम्र जो है, the age if it is above 18 years of age, then they are given the right to vote. That is called as universal adult franchisee. And irrespective of the gender, irrespective of the caste, irrespective of the religion, everybody will be given the right to vote. वो गरीब होने दो, अमीर होने दो, वो हिंदू होने दो, वो मुसलमान होने दो, whatever be the, if he crosses 18 years of age, he will be given the right to vote. That is called as universal adult franchisee. हमारा फर्स्ट जनरल इलेक्शन जो था वो 1951-52 में हुआ था. That was based on the universal adult franchisee. And you know, इट वॉज गिवन फर्स्ट. अब जो है 18 ईयर्स था, मगर पहले जो था वो 21 ईयर्स था. 21 ईयर्स से कम कर दिया था बाद में, बट पहले इट वॉज 21 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, एंड दे हैड गिवन द राइट टू वोट. एट दैट टाइम देर वर मोर देन 17 crore 30 lakh पीपल हु कुड वोट. 17 करोड़ आबादी था जो वोट डालने का आबादी था. सो फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ देम this was their first opportunity to vote, because in British India they never had the experience of vote, so it was first opportunity for most of them. थोड़े लोगों को था, अमीर लोगों को तो लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स में इलेक्शंस के वजह से, प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शंस के वजह से जो टैक्स बनते थे उन लोगों को वोट राइट जब ही था. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 के वजह से थोड़े लोगों को वोट मिला था, वो ब्रिटिश इंडिया में. मगर हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनने के बाद सभी लोगों को अंडर यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रैंचाइजी वी हैव गिवन द राइट टू वोट. So this was first time for most of them, and most of them were also illiterate, and most of them used to live in the rural areas. Because they are illiterate, they cannot read what name is present in the ballot paper. किसको वोट डालने है उसको पढ़ना नहीं आती, फिर कैसे डालते वो लोग? So that was a big problem. There was a big question, how will the people respond to this opportunity was a big question. So in order to answer this, an election commission बोले तो जो चुनाव लगाती है, जो पूरा उसको सुपरवाइज करती है, वो बॉडी जो है इलेक्शन कमीशन है. वो इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज सेट अप टू कंडक्ट द फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस इन द कंट्री. Making arrangements for the first elections was a large and complex task, because most of the voters are illiterate people and they are living in the rural areas. So conducting the elections was a big task for them. First, a house to house survey was conducted in order to register the eligible voters. And people who contested elections belonged to the political parties or they were to the independents. And these election commission gave them symbols to each of these candidates, because most of the voters are illiterate. In order to identify these candidates, their name cannot be read, so they have allotted symbols. अब देखो कांग्रेस को सिंबल क्या है, हाथ का सिंबल, और टीआरएस का सिंबल क्या है, कार सिंबल. वो सिंबल देखते ही अच्छा, कार का सिंबल देखते ही टीआरएस बोल के पता होती. सो वैसा दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग symbols for these candidates, so that becomes very easy for the illiterate people to cast their vote. So that mechanism was started by the election commission. So about the entire polling mechanism we'll see in the next class, children. Thank you.